here at Unique, especially in classics. 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 XL convertible. Yes, it would be a true 500 XL FYI. That you can tell from the data tag, which you can see pictures of the data tag and with our still pictures, and I'll tell you where to check that out here in just a bit. The other things that is going to inform you of is original color on this car, which was medium sage gold metallic. The interior would have been a gold vinyl interior. I believe the DSO was San Jose on this one. Underneath the hood, 289 V8 power steering car, automatic transmission, power top. Now for those still pictures, you want to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look at the headlights, surrounds, grille, chrome on the front bumper. Shows well up here. Paint on the car also shows well. It does have kind of a, I would say, light tan or cream colored vinyl convertible top in nice shape, and at the end of this video I'm going to run it up and we're going to check that out. Again, power top does work. Riding on the 5-spoke chrome wheels, as you can see up and down the side of that nice straight car. Again, paint in nice condition. Take a peek at the interior. Center console with the automatic shifter on the floor. Vinyl in nice shape. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There is a convertible boot or convertible top for it. I just laid it out here. I could get it on there and fasten, but it would take a little bit of work. It'd be a lot easier if you're out in the sun. Let it get a little pliable and warmed up. So that would be folded up in the trunk and go along with the car. Speaking of trunk, check out the trunk and the still pictures as well as the underside, engine bay, interior at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and look at the distance down that driver's side. Again, appears to be a nice straight car, and you can see the condition of the paint along there. Another little peek at the interior from the driver's side here. I do have pictures without the floor mats in there, so you can see the carpeting in the pictures. No holes or rips, anything like that. So go ahead and check those out. Here's the data plate that you're going to see a picture of in the stills. And you can see the vinyls free of rips, tears, holes. Alright, let's go ahead and fire this up. See here, run. Played around with the radio, the fan, and the wipers, and I did not have luck with those. I did have luck with the power convertible top, though. See how easily it started? That was a cold start, too, as you can see by the light over here. Slip around to the back. Hear a little rumble coming out of that 289. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. This is probably going to take a couple hands. Let me pause this a second. We'll get the hood open. Check out that engine bay. And here's the engine bay. Nice and tidy under the hood. Good looking engine bay, 289. Again, power steering. You can see HEI ignition. Poly carb. There's some chrome dress up there with valve covers, air cleaner cover. Nice smooth runner, aluminum radiator. Set up to drive. Alright, one last thing. I'm going to pause this one more time, shut the hood up, turn it off. I'll run that top up so you can get a peek at that.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And the top up. As you can see, fits nice and tight above the windshield. And again, kind of a cream, light tan vinyl. Looks like it's a newer replacement just by the condition of it. You can come around and see the clarity of the plastic rear window. That is also in nice shape. But yeah, free of rips, tears, holes. So you get an idea what kind of condition that top's in. So no surprises there. Nice, it fits above the windshield. There you go, looking for a drop top Ford. Here it is, 1966 Ford Fairlane 500 XL. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call.